Hi, Francisco with BenQ here. Today, I'd like to take you through the features and functions of your RP7504 BenQ board. Once you log into your BenQ board, you'll see your customized background and home screen. This background and home screen apps, as well as the profile login icon, can all be changed from your individual AMS account via ams.benq.com. So here you'll notice these are my home screen applications. All of these can be left here. If there's anything that I don't want to utilize, I can actually press and hold, drag it to here and remove it from the home screen. This will not delete the app, simply remove the icon shortcut from the home screen. You can also press and hold and then drag it down into the taskbar area. So now I can have up to 7 applications docked down here at the bottom. That will leave me a nice clean interface here to utilize. Or I can move it around anywhere on screen where you see the gridded pattern on my home screen. We're just going to go ahead and put that back. Any additional apps that you would like to add are available in your app launcher. That's this 4 square waffle-shaped icon at the bottom. And this will be a list of all of the current applications available on your BenQ board that have already been downloaded. For additional applications, you also have access to the BenQ App Store here. This is going to be a list of all the applications that we have worked out partnerships with that you can download directly onto your board. Some of these applications are going to have a paid component, some of them are completely free.